Yes, our fire pits are indeed smokeless. Webster's dictionary defines smokeless as producing little to no smoke, and we stand behind that claim for our fire pits. It is an open wood burning fire pit. You will see some smoke from time to time, but it's significantly less than a standard wood burning fire pit. In order to achieve a true smokeless fire with our fire pits, it does require the proper technique of starting and maintaining your fire. There are several things to keep in mind to make sure you achieve the absolute best burn of your fire pit with the least amount of smoke. First of all, make your fire at least 20 minutes before your guests arrive, which allows the time for the fire pit to heat up and the secondary combustion to begin burning at the top of the fire pit. Secondly, make sure your wood is dry. This is very important. If your wood is wet, it won't create enough heat to heat up the walls of the fire pit and create secondary combustion. Thirdly, you want to make sure that the wood you're burning is split down. We recommend 3 to 4 inches in circumference. If you have large pieces of wood and you put them in the fire, they don't generate as much heat, so you're going to have a little bit more smoke because the walls of the fire pit are not as hot and there's not as much secondary combustion. For a full detailed description of exactly how to maximize your smokeless fire pit, check out the video linked in this video. Our fire pits produce a lot of heat, and some of that heat goes down. We do not recommend our fire pits being placed on any combustible surface or any surface that could be damaged. If you are placing the fire pit on a combustible surface or a surface that could be damaged, such as stamped concrete or natural stone, make sure you have an approved or adequate heat protective surface between the fire pit and the surface you're putting it on. Your fire pit is designed to be outdoors in the elements. However, we do recommend using one of our lids to protect it, particularly from rain and precipitation. If you have ash buildup in the bottom of the fire pit and that gets wet, it will make it harder to get your next fire smokeless, and it is bad for the materials of the fire pit to have a layer of wet ash for long periods of time. If you cook on your sear plate, it is going to get dirty. So how do you clean it? One option is to take a straight edge spatula and scrape any grease or remaining pieces of food into the fire. The heat from the fire is sanitizing the surface, so technically you're ready to go for the next cook. If you'd like to clean your fire pit more than this, we recommend checking out the video that we have linked in this video that shows you exactly how to do that. At Breeo, we have 3 sizes of fire pits, 19, 24, and 30. These sizes reference the inside dimension of each fire pit. Technically, they're rounded up. Each size is a ½ inch smaller than 19, 24, and 30. So 18.5, 23.5, and 29.5. The larger the fire pit, the more wood it will take and the more heat it will generate, as well as the more cooking surface it will have. Particularly with the 30, we do have 2 outpost post-locking holes which allow you to run 2 outposts at the same time. On the 19 and 24, they each have 1. All 3 sizes do come with the option of buying them with our sear plate or without our sear plate. With the X19, that's recommended for 1 to 4 people, the 24 from 4 to 8, and the 30, 8+. This is just a recommendation based on the size of the fire pit. The insert ring can in fact be added later. If you buy your fire pit as a freestanding model and use it on your patio and at a later date decide to do a built-in fire pit, just buy the insert ring that matches your fire pit and you can install that. Yes, the insert ring is backwards compatible to fit all X series that we've made. However, if you purchase your X series before March of 2021, you will need to select the 2020 model of the insert ring on the website. Unfortunately, the sear plate cannot be added later as that is attached to the fire pit when you purchase it. The sear plate is different from the standard rim in that it's designed for cooking. It's a large surface that slopes in towards the fire so that grease from the food will run into the fire. The standard rim does not slope in and is not designed for cooking. The sear plate allows you to cook burgers, chops, and steaks with a high heat, direct griddle type surface all around the fire. Both the standard rim and the sear plate are made of 304 stainless steel, and the outside dimension is exactly the same so that all the lids and the insert rings fit for both models. Unfortunately, our fire pits are not designed to use gas. They are wood-burning fire pits. However, you can use charcoal for cooking, but be aware this will create more ash buildup, particularly if you're using briquettes and not lump charcoal. If you're burning charcoal, be aware of the ash buildup, and if it gets too high, make sure to clean it out before another session. Because our fire pits are wood burning, they do generate a lot of heat. The amount of heat will vary depending on a lot of circumstances such as the wood, the environment around it, wind direction and speed. We do recommend each fire pit for a certain group size to keep everybody warm. When your X Series Core 10 fire pit arrives, it will not yet have developed the reddish-orange patina you may have seen in some of our images. It'll come with the original blue steel look on the outside of the fire pit. Over time, this reddish-orange finish will develop as a protective coating to protect the Core 10 material from further rusting. This is the same material used in structural elements such as bridges and other architectural features. If you'd like to speed up this natural process, we do have a video addressing exactly how to do that. Core 10 and stainless steel will hold up in very similar ways. They're both corrosion-resistant materials designed to last for a very long time. The difference is the patina will change in appearance more over time until it has completely finished its patina process. The stainless steel will stay closer to its original finish for longer. The X Series and Luxeve product lines are both designed using the Breeo Smokeless technology and are both manufactured with high-quality 304 stainless steel. The difference comes down to function. The X Series includes the option for cooking, sear plates, the outpost, as well as the insert ring, where the Luxeve is not able to be an insert or to cook on, but it does come with a third powder-coated wall available in 4 color options, as well as decorative glass around the rim. No, we do not offer pickup at our location here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. However, we do offer free shipping on all of our products to the lower 48. Our fire pits are fabricated right here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We weld them, we polish them, and we're very happy with the way they appear when they arrive at your house. With that in mind, there are some things that when you manufacture and weld steel together, it can create little dimples and weld marks as we're making sure that the fire pit will last a lifetime. That's normal. However, if there's something about your fire pit that doesn't seem normal or seems cosmetically wrong, don't hesitate to reach out if there's anything wrong with your fire pit. We always replace it. Yes, we do offer military discounts. If you would like one, please reach out to our customer service team and they'll help you get that. Yes, we do still sell the Zentro Fire Pit insert. If you would like to purchase one, please reach out to us or one of our authorized dealers. We do recommend the X Series with the insert ring as a great option if you're looking to do an insert fire pit. It is more economical as well as a better solution for the long term because it's not only a freestanding fire pit, but also an insert.
That was good.